Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to send WhatsApp message to new Instagram lead ads leads. So here let's suppose that to market my business I'm running some ads on Instagram. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then I want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Instagram and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm using WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to send WhatsApp message to new Instagram leads. So here let's say that to market my business, I'm running some ads on Instagram to generate leads using Meta Ads Manager. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then I want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead. So now in order to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software that is Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as automation for Instagram. And now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send WhatsApp message to new Instagram leads. So now in order to automate this process, I will go to my trigger window, and over here, I'm going to search for Instagram lead ads as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So this trigger will start working whenever a new lead will be submitted through a specified lead gen form that is associated with my Facebook page. So now moving to my action window, as I want to send a WhatsApp message to these leads. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. And the action event will be to send template message. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So as I want that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram, then I want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead. So here to establish the connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on connect. So in order to add a new connection, we have to make sure that our Instagram account is connected with our Facebook account, because here the connection that is made between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect is made through a Facebook account. So over here you can see that this is my Facebook account and you can see it is connected with my Instagram account as well. So here you can see that this here is my Instagram account and this account is connected with my Facebook account as well. So here in Instagram, I will go to more. I will go to settings, and in settings I will go to this Meta account center, and here you can see that my Instagram account and my Facebook account is connected with each other. So that is why over here while making a connection, I have made sure that both of my accounts are connected so that the connection can be made successfully. So now I'm going to click on connect with Instagram lead ads. So over here you can see that this here is my Facebook account which I've shown you before. So now I'm going to click on continue. And the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So as I've mentioned that I'm running some ads on Instagram to generate leads using Meta Ads Manager, and my Instagram account is connected with my Facebook page. So over here in Meta Ads Manager, in this campaign, you can see my Facebook page as well. So I'm going to take you to the Facebook page that is by the name of Peak Performance Physio. And I'm going to show you that this page is connected with my Instagram account. So for that, I will go to settings. And in settings, I will go to permissions. Over here, I will go to linked accounts. So here you can see that my Facebook page is linked with my Instagram account, and in this campaign I've added a lead gen form as well in order to capture the leads. So this here is the lead gen form, and this is how the form looks like. So here currently in Meta Ads Manager, I'm not running any live campaigns or ads. So over here, that is why the status is in draft. But even if you are running some live ads, you also have to follow the same process in order to capture the leads in Pabbly Connect. But as I'm in draft mode, so by using Meta Lead Ads Testing tool, I'm going to generate a test lead. So here by using Meta Lead Ads Testing tool, I'm going to generate a test lead so that I can show you the response. So here in Meta for developers, I've got this lead ads testing tool which will help me to create a test lead so that the response could be captured in Pabbly Connect. So to reach here to this lead ads testing tool, we have already created a video for this. You can check out on our YouTube channel. So over here, I've selected my page and I've selected my form by the name of Instagram lead ads. So here I'm going to click on preview form. And this is how the form appears. But before filling up this form, I'm going to select the page and the form in Pabbly Connect so that the response could be captured. So as I'm using the page that is by the name of Peak Performance Physio, here I'm going to select it. And now I'm going to select the lead gen form, that is Instagram lead ads. So as I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So as I've mentioned that by using Meta Lead Ads Testing tool, I'm going to generate a test lead. So here in Meta for developers lead ads testing tool, I've selected my page and the form associated with it. Here I'm going to click on preview form. So here I filled in the details in this form and now I'm going to submit this form. And here you can see it says, thanks, you're all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created right now would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here I've received a response. Over here you can see the first name, last name, email, phone number, company name, and the created date and time along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I've just created right now is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is setup. That means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So as I've got the lead, so now I want to send a WhatsApp message to this lead. So here in order to send a WhatsApp message, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So I need to build a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or you can add a new connection. So now in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So I've already set up a WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I'm going to go to Meta for developers. And over here, this is the app dashboard. Here I will go to WhatsApp. I will go to API setup. And here in API setup, this is the access token. I'm going to copy it. Over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. Now moving to the phone number ID. So again from over here I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it. Now I'm going to copy the WhatsApp business account ID. So this here's the ID. I have copied it and I'm going to paste it. So once I've mentioned these details, here I'm going to click on save. And you can see that WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now I'm going to select the template name. That means I'm going to select the template which I would like to send. So here in message templates, this is the template I've created by the name of Peak Performance Physio Leads. So I'm going to show you the template as well. So this here's the template. You can see the template name. This here's the language and over here's the template ID. You can see the category as marketing and over here this is the message. So after hello you can see that I've mentioned a variable. So this variable will keep on changing accordingly as per I'm going to receive a new lead. So after hello this variable is for the name of the lead. So as I'm going to receive a new lead, lead, then automatically the name of that lead will appear in this message. So this here's the message that I've framed and I want to send it. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this template name, I'm going to select my template. So once I've selected the template, it has automatically detected the language code and the template ID. So now moving to these fields of mobile number and the body field. So over here in this mobile number field, I'm going to map the mobile number that I've received from Instagram lead ads. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the phone number and the name from Instagram lead ads, so that is why over here I'm going to map it. So mapping is an important step so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. That means a WhatsApp message would have been sent to that lead. But before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, I've mentioned an actual number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message as well. So now I'm going to take you to the WhatsApp message. So this here's the WhatsApp message that has been sent to the lead. So here after hello, you can see the name of the lead as well. So that means a WhatsApp message has been successfully sent. So this automation was a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.